Guys, so today I'll be making a quick version of Jamaican beef soup in a crock pot, well, crock pot express. Over here we have some yellow yam in lime water. We have Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix, also the cock flavored soup mix. We have corn, carrots, pumpkin, garlic, I love garlic, thyme, pimento, and some scallion, green onions, and all of these are washed. Over here we have almost 2 pounds of beef bone with some salt, black pepper, and a little bit of Maggi flavored seasoning. And to this I'm going to add 7 cups of water. Everything to the pot, and don't worry if you see the yam looking a little bit black. That's because it's like that. Okay, so we're going to allow this to pressure for at least 45 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm gonna add the flavored soup mix and a green habanero pepper, and then we're just gonna leave it. And of course guys, you can add dumplings to this. I'm not a dumpling person, so I don't want dumpling. I just want something fast and easy, quick. The 45 minutes I went ahead and add some green onion, some habanero pepper, and some more thyme. And I love thyme, so it all depends. But look at that. Looks nice, right? Okay, so we're gonna cook this for another 10-15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did place it on the stove top instead. Took it out the pressure cooker, slow cooker, whatever. And this is what it looks like. And I did add some spinach dumplings to it and some potatoes. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.